Hi, my name is Victor with spiceandadvice.com, and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice. Today we're going to make bat wings. They are delicious. Yesterday I had to make a marinade. I was beside myself, but it's gonna be really delicious. Let's look at the ingredients. We have 3 pounds of chicken wings, and you want to keep the wing all together. You don't want to cut it because that's part of the effect. Then we have 1/4 cup of olive oil, a cup of almond butter, a cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then we're gonna use a teaspoon of black food coloring. We're gonna mix all of our ingredients because first we're gonna create the marinade. So all we do is we just dump everything in. The last thing that we're gonna add is the black food coloring. And one word of advice, be very careful with the black food coloring, because if you're not, everything that touches, including your hands, your clothes, everything is gonna turn black. We're gonna take the plastic bag and we're gonna put the wings inside of the plastic bag. And then we pour the mix, being very careful. And then put it in the refrigerator between 6 to 24 hours. You want it the color to absorb and the flavor, so when you bake your wings, they're gonna be delicious. Massage the mix. Look at that awesome color. The wings are out of the refrigerator. As you can see, they're black, very black. Now we're gonna put them in a tray with aluminum foil. You see how exciting they are. It's really exciting. And put them in the tray with one of these. Now we're gonna put the wings in the oven for 400 degrees, 25 minutes. Stop it! There is a snack for you. It's really exciting. Smells good. The wings have been in the oven 25 minutes. Now we take them and flip them. Kitty. We flip them all. Now we put them in the oven 25 more minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
Mmm. Kitty. Bat wings are done, and they smell so delicious. Let's give them a try. Mmm. They are delicious. And that's it for this episode. Please, if you like this video, click it like and subscribe to our channel so we can show many, many other videos that I know you will like. And click on the bell so you can get notifications when the episodes come on. This is Victor with Spice and Advice. Thank you. Got this shit everywhere. We open the bag. And now we stop. Because now we go to that. Don't make me laugh. My lips are, oh wow, they are super black.